Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com hourly analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2011. Well, we had a market that's rallied up to find resistance around the Ichimoku cloud, and we can see here the market rallied with some very large green-bodied candles, and we can see that the top of the cloud and within the cloud offered itself as an area of solid resistance for this market. The area within the cloud, or just on top, was tested on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 occasions, and we can see the large shadows on the top of these candles, which represent selling coming in. Now these large shadows on the top represent sellers coming in, and the cloud did offer itself as a good area of resistance. By the same token, however, when the market did sell off, we found support down around this level. We can see here this line that I've drawn. I'm actually highlighting a pattern, a chart pattern here, which is a symmetrical triangle, almost an ascending triangle, but the bottom line of the support isn't quite horizontal, so technically we have to call this a symmetrical triangle. Now, in subsequent trading, the market did break out to the top side above the cloud. You had a very small amount of cloud there, very thin amount of cloud, which obviously offered itself as a very small amount of resistance. Unfortunately for the bulls, however, we didn't have a very bullish candle, and what I like to see on these breakouts to the upside is a bullish candle, to the downside a bearish candle. So we haven't had that follow through that I like to see with the short-term dynamics. In the third last hour of trading here, although we do need to, we're looking at the last candle here, which is not complete yet, so we'll call that the last hour. And this candle here, we did see the market trade off down through the Ichimoku cloud once again, but a very thin area, find support down around this level, around 101.5, and then rally to within the cloud again. Now in this final candle that we're looking at here, which hasn't completed yet, it is looking quite bearish. It has found support down at the bottom of the symmetrical triangle pattern. But if we do have a bearish breakout to the downside, which looks like we could be getting at the moment, if that maintains bearishness and the market closes down below there, then there is a good chance that the market will trade lower. Now the target will be the width of the pattern, so that would see the market trading down roughly about 1013. Now that is within this area of support that we highlighted previously. You can see here that the market found support there, rallied, found support down around this region, around 1008, and then rallied, and in today's trading we saw the market trade down to the support around 1012 and rally again. So there is a good chance that the market will trade down to around this region and find support down around there as well if we do have the breakout. So it's not a really good target that we would like to trade, because we're limited to the downside for the target. Now these sort of triangles can also be continuation patterns. That's usually what they are. So if we do see a breakout to the upside, then obviously the target would be the width projected up from the breakout. So if we do break out in the next hour of trading, it would see us find a target probably up around the 102 level, which will coincide with this area of resistance that we had previously in the market. But at the moment, with this current candle, which isn't finalized yet, I must say, just remember that it is looking a little bit bearish, and that would complete a bearish breakout down below the cloud as well. So we won't concentrate on that at the moment. We'll look at this second last hour that has completed, and that candle has closed within the cloud, which meant that the market was neutral at that time in big picture terms. Now the market is still trading up above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, so the market has an overall has a positive bias in the medium term time frame, but is trading down below the Tenkan-sen, which means the market is negative in the fast term time frame. So the market has failed to find support at the Tenkan-sen, which it did previously. The Kijun-sen is pointing flat, and when that happens, there is a good chance that the price action will be attracted back towards there, and that's what's been happening here over the last few hours of trading, and looks like that's what could be happening in this final candle here too. So there is a good chance that we will see a break to the downside in the market, testing lower levels, probably down around the 103 level down to roughly 102. Oh, sorry, 1013 and 1012.